Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on Notion that is for beginners like myself who are not really tech savvy but just want a little something to work with while we learn how to navigate through the app. These steps are very simple and should take you about 10 minutes to set up your basic layout. As you can see here, I have signed up for the free account. They do have a paid subscription account, but we are working with the free option today in this tutorial. So first, when you download the app onto your computer, it will look like this, and you're going to drag the icon to your folder and save it to your computer. After that, it will be available in your dock at the bottom, and you can pin it so that it stays there if you like. So after it's saved, your desktop will look like this, but it will be blank. This will be your main page. It will have an option for you to upload a banner and your profile picture. I created these on Canva, and for my profile picture, I saved it with a transparent background so it did not have the white block in the back. And also you can adjust your banner to fit properly inside of the box. When you scroll over your blank document, you will see a plus sign and some dots. That's where you're going to add the sections that you want to add to your main page. I'm just showing you the options that you can use later on when you go back in and add more to your page after the beginner tutorial, when you're a little bit more familiar and more comfortable with the app. The 2-column tab is what we are going to be using a lot in this basic layout. So definitely remember where it is on this list. So for this tab, I clicked on templates. This tab is where your category tabs are. It will not have those pretty templates you see all over social media and TikTok. Believe me, I spent so many hours trying to find them on here after seeing them on TikTok and Instagram, and they are not in this app. So I went and scrolled all the way down to the content calendar, and that is how I got this. It will create a tab, and you can go into the tab and add more to your tab. You can add or subtract sections and also drag things on the tab and kind of rearrange it how you would like. Make sure that you drag your tab so that it is connected to your main page tab so it can pop up on your home screen, so that you don't have to go in the tab to add things, subtract things. You can touch everything you need for the tab on your main screen. This is where you can add, your color for your tabs, your ideas, etc. Color code them, kind of organize them like you want through these little drop down tabs that they give you. Now back to the plus and dot tabs. This is where you're going to add your text. I did a quick little demo underneath my tab so that you can see for reference. Here you can add your colored font, and you can also add background colors. Then I go back and I add a to-do list under the tab. So it gives me kind of like a checklist where I can check off items as I go. To upload, here's a cheat code for you. Instead of having to go through the whole drop down list, you're going to put a /im, and the image option is going to pop up, and you're going to click the upload option, and then you're just going to upload the pictures or documents that you have, and then you can drag it wherever you want within the app on your layout page. Now this little cute quote right here, I went to this website another YouTuber recommended and used in her video, and it has all the basics. It's really easy to navigate. That's why I chose this website. You can use so many websites out there that are free, but this website just allowed me to get, my basic layout done super fast. So that's why I went with it. you're going to sign up for the website. And then from the main option, you're going to click quotes. You're going to choose the bundle that you want. You're going to choose a background color. I usually leave that blank, or I do a light appearance, especially if you have a white background. You're going to copy the link and you're going to place it in a free space. Then you can drag it wherever you want. The borders here will be the color that you choose, or it will be black if you do not choose the light appearance. But whatever preference you like, you can use. Now I'm just going back in and adding a couple cute emojis to the areas that I want. And you're pretty much done. This was a very easy beginner tutorial for a very basic layout. Show some love in the comment box. Let me know if this tutorial helped you in any way. Like or subscribe for more videos to come. I really appreciate you guys watching my video, and till next time.